We're in Tribeca, the triangle below Canal Street, Manhattan, New York City. With today's chefs, we have two Marks in our favour.
Pick it up.
Chef Marc Murphy.
He's doing big steaks, I'm doing big steaks.
And Chef Marc Forgione.
You've got a small fish here.
Yeah, we've got a little fish.
I want to see him wrestle this thing.
There we go, gentlemen. As in the words of Mick Jagger, we just painted it black.
We're sourcing beautiful vegetables and herbs at an amazing urban farm, 2 stories below ground level.
A farm in a basement.
A farm in a basement.
In New York.
Yeah.
And sourcing other veg and herbs at no farm at all, but through foraging.
Every pastry chef that I know wants this.
All for a feast of 20 or so New York sophisticates.
Bamboo is delicious.
Next, on a Moveable feast with Fine Cooking Magazine. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. We're throwing a party, and you're invited.